Welcome to Sudoku SKVM. I'm going to solve New York Times hard Sudoku. Puzzle on January 7, 2023. Second row, fourth row, we have 5. Column E also we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is from here. Third grade. Column E, we have pair numbers 9 and 8. So 9 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Second row, third row, column E, we have pair numbers 9 and 8. So 9 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 8th row, 9th row, column C, we got 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column C, column D, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column D, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then first grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column E, column G, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Fourth row, third row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column F, 7th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. 4 will come here one of the cells. We will confirm later. 7th row, 6th row, we have 4. Column H also we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column C and 8th grade. Column J, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. The 5 is confirmed here. Column H, column J, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column C, column D, we have 4. 8th row also we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. 9th row, 8th row, column F, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column G, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. Then 4 is confirmed here. 9th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. 3 will come here with the cells. We will confirm later. Column F, we have 3. 7th row also we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. 3 is confirmed here. Column B, column C, we have 3. 6th row also and 7th row also we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. 10th row, 8th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 9 and 8. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column H, 4th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 will come here one of the cells. We will confirm later. 4th row, 3rd row, we have 3. Column G also we have 3. So 3 can't come in these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then second row, 2 numbers are remaining. 1 and 6, it will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 6th grade. And 4th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. 5th grade, we have 9 and 8. So 9 and 8 can't come in this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then column G, 2 numbers are remaining. 1 and 6, it will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 3rd grade and 7th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. 6th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Then we can confirm 9 also here. Then column I, only one number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. 4th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. And then 1 is here. Then second row, only one number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. Then column G, only one number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. 5th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 7, 5. 5th row, we have 1 and 7. So 1 and 7 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then 5th grade, only one number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. 2nd grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. 4th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 3rd row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then 3rd grade, only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. 8th row, 10th row, we have 2. Column H also we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 5th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. 6th grade, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column B, we have 8 and 9. So 8 and 9 can't come in this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. 10th row, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then 7th grade, only one number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Column J, column H, we have 2. So 2 can't come in these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 6th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. 6th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 7. Column J, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column G, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. And then 1 is here. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. 8th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 8th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. 7th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 7th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. 7th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then column E, only one number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. Column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. 9th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 9th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then 4th row, only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. 8th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.